Welcome to the most social car we've ever designed. 2018 Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Nissan Intelligent Mobility empowers you with tomorrow's technology so you can take on today. You'll make every move with greater awareness and can get a little help when you need it most. All of this gives you more confidence and, ultimately, the freedom to embrace the joy of being behind the wheel, the way driving was always meant to be. Intelligent Forward Collision Warning. Standard intelligent forward collision warning is on the lookout when you can't see what's going on ahead. It watches 2 cars ahead, monitoring your speed and distance, and when it detects sudden deceleration, it gives you a heads up to slow down. Sheet metal in the key of stunning. Inspired by the future of aerospace, Murano's striking aerodynamic body looks as though it was shaped by the wind. The fluid profile begins with the V-motion grille, sweeps into a signature floating roofline that appears to hover above the cabin, and ends at rear side pillars that resemble a jet's tail. Signature LED daytime running lights. The boomerang-shaped headlights integrate with the aerodynamic profile to become a vital part of the dramatic overall design. Available high-efficiency LED headlights create a light pattern that replicates natural daylight. The signature LED daytime running lights dramatically arch around the headlights and provide a low-intensity, but highly visible light. Power panoramic moon roof. An available feature, the 2018 Murano's sweeping, uninterrupted moon roof reaches over both rows of seats, so even passengers in the back get a clear view of the sky and experience an open, natural atmosphere rarely found in the back seat of a crossover.